Is the Whelen Key series a dual-speaker light bar or some new light head? Or an Internet of Things vehicle solution? Whelen's new patented dual-speaker light bar is in development, and it might be the key to future success. Or it just might be a turnkey solution for a light bar and siren in a single package, making for the easiest installation in the market today. The new Whelen Key series could be that all-in-one solution the market needs, or it may have nothing to do with the dual-speaker light bar recently patented. Systems and methods are directed toward an integrated compact speaker and light head assembly. Body portions may be coupled to a speaker section to form a light bar body. The speaker section may include one or more assemblies having openings with an axial height that is greater than adjacent body portion axial heights. The light bar body may be coupled to one or more mounting locations using fastener apertures extending through portions of the light bar body. At least one embodiment pertains to visual and auditory warning devices. More specifically, at least one embodiment pertains to a light bar that includes one or more light heads and an integrated siren. Light bars may be affixed to various locations, such as vehicles, and used to provide warnings or other notifications. For example, a light bar on an emergency vehicle may include different light heads that can illuminate and emit light beams, often with different colors and/or patterns, to provide notifications to other vehicle operators. Additionally, auditory warnings may also be included on the emergency vehicles to provide additional indicators to other vehicle operators. Often, the use of warning lights and slash or sirens are associated with different regulatory requirements, and as a result, equipment may be large, bulky, and expensive. For example, in order to meet established regulatory requirements, separate sirens may be provided and mounted onto vehicles. As a result, vehicles often include multiple mounting configurations and complex control schemes in order to integrate operation of both the light heads and sirens. In at least one embodiment, one or more operations of the light bar may coordinate or otherwise be controlled with one or more additional or nearby light bars. For example, if the light bar were operating as a strobe or blinking operational configuration along with others, multiple blinking lights at different rates may be distracting to those nearby. Systems and methods may enable coordination such that blinking or strobing or operation of the siren assemblies. 130 is synchronized between different light bars within an area or associated with the same controller. Light bars on the same vehicle may be synchronized or otherwise controlled to coordinate their flash patterns. And light bars on multiple vehicles may be coordinated or synchronized together. This may be done by including a communication interface associated with each light bar that connects the light bar to a controller. Further, more than one controller can be included and may be associated with multiple emergency vehicles. The communication interfaces can be wired or wireless interfaces. Wired interfaces may include, for example, CAN buses, wires, or cables. Wireless interfaces may include, for example, Wide Area Network, WAN, interfaces, Local Area Network, LAN interfaces, cellular communications, Wi-Fi, or radio frequency communications. Keep your ears and eyes open. The Whelen Key series might just be a turnkey vehicle solution you need.